Hello, welcome to the IndoML 2023 Datathon. So once you have signed in, now I'll be showing you what are the different tabs of the competition. So first of all, once you have gone to the link of the competition, you can see over here the title and the details of the competition have been written over here in the overview. If you click on the evaluation, so basically there will be a description of what the problem is and what are the evaluation metrics that will be used. Uh, so yeah, and in terms and conditions there will be rules of the competition. So essentially there will be two phases in which the competition will be carried out. In the first phase it will be a development phase in which we will provide you a labeled training data and basically another uh, development set data, and your predictions have to be made on the development set data. And secondly, in phase 2 it will be the final phase. So the final phase, in that basically you'll have a hidden test data on which basically you'll have to uh, so basically will not have any labels for the test data, so the labels will be hidden. You'll only be given the text inputs, so on which you have to make the predictions. So that will be phase 2. Okay. In phases, the same thing, the description of the phases and the start and end dates will be given. So in order to see the data and all, you have to go to the participate tab and click on I accept terms and conditions and register. So once you do that, you'll be able to check the data over here in files. We can download the training and the development set, for instance. So right now the development phase is active, so that is why we are able to see only that particular data. And in this particular case, submit or view results, over here you'll be able to submit your predictions. So this we'll cover in another video in detail. uh, this is valid for both the phases, and according to which phase is active, you'll be able to see a submit button. For instance, over here the development set is active, so for the development phase you are able to see a submit button, but for the final phase it has not started yet, so the submit button is not present here. In the results thing, you will be able to see your own submissions in both the phases, your submissions and the evaluation metrics. And so public submissions is basically, once the competition starts, you'll be able to see uh, what are the results and the evaluation and the metric values for other participants in this competition. So yeah, and forums is for discussion purpose, so we will, I think, go in more detail, and we'll tell about the forums in more detail later on. So yeah, so these are basically the different aspects of the competition. We'll be discussing like how to submit your predictions. Thank you.